Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA, your Porsche performance air-cooled and water-cooled experts with over 25 years experience. What we always do with many Porsche cars, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, McLaren, we will do destructive and non-destructive testing so we can look inside the mufflers and find out what the OEMs did to either make the car an absolute grocery getter and or really quiet or raucous. In this video, we're going to show you what Porsche did for the Panamera twin turbos and the regular Panamera big sedans from Porsche, one of their most popular sellers. Here on my left is a Panamera twin turbo PSE muffler, and here is a Panamera non-PSE muffler from the factory. And voila, we've done destructive testing. We've cut the outer cover off the muffler, and we can show you what they did inside there. So on this one, we cut the tips off, but the exhaust comes from the engine, goes through the mufflers, resonators, under the car, X pipes, and then it comes in here, goes to this pipe, and then here's the outlet pipe here, and it fills this chamber. And then if you notice, there's perforated walls here and here, and there's packing in here, so the exhaust expands left and right. And then some of the exhaust will go through this outlet pipe, as you can see, and it comes through this 180-degree bend, and then goes down to one of the tips, because the cars have quad tips, if it's a Panamera twin turbo or a V8S. And then the rest of the exhaust goes through, fills this chamber, goes out this pipe to the other tip. As I said, we cut the tips off of this one. Now you might be saying, what about the PSE exhaust? Well, here you go. Here's the PSE factory muffler. And once again, the exhaust is coming out of the engine, running all the way under the chassis, lots of resonators and mufflers. And most Panameras, if you've been around them, they're literally a wonderful car, but a total grocery getter. No visual sound, no audible sound difference, and they're really quiet. Anyway, the exhaust comes through this pipe. This is hydroformed, comes in here, and then it dumps into this center chamber. This is where the bulk of the exhaust goes, and then it goes to this tiny 1.875 millimeter outlet to the first tip, okay? Direct shot. Then the exhaust goes through here through expansion chamber. When this valve opens up, it comes right out the other tailpipe. But the car's still very quiet. We removed the packing in here, but you can see they're perforated muffler walls, the exhaust bounces back and forth, and that's what Porsche's goal was. They wanted to sell a lot of cars, Panameras, Macans, and Cayennes, and just make them really quiet. So you had the status, but at Fabspeed Motorsports, we're the first company in the world to design, engineer every single Porsche water-cooled car, including the Panameras and all the above. So go with Fabspeed, check us out online. We have the most experience, and obviously you can tell passion runs deep here as we try to design, engineer, and develop the world's finest products for these wonderful cars.